Cocoa sells a low-cost 2-burner cooker stove that is fueled using ethanol. So it's a clean cooking solution. Cocoa applied for the RVO tender because we wanted to accelerate the uptake of our cocoa cooker amongst the low-income consumers. By nature, they don't trust. For them to buy something, they really have to trust. They don't have money to waste, so to speak. So for us, it's more expensive to demonstrate value because it's about reaching these people one-on-one.
Our first main product are the solar home systems, and that means a simple kit with 2 lights and a phone charger and a radio, or 6, 8 or 10 lights with a phone charger. We are based in Chess, 70 kilometers from Dakar. Last year we wrote a proposal to RVO to extend our work in the far east part of Senegal. It would be very hard for me to go there all the way from Chess until there. It's about 800 kilometers, and it would be very expensive just to start from scratch. So we are now able, with the help of RVO, to also give those people access to energy.
Building trust is a process. So how did we do that? Who was the trusting agent that we identified? The local shopkeeper who they buy from every day. So we went to the shopkeepers within the low-income areas, and we have identified them as agents of cocoa cookers and cocoa fuel. There's someone, there's a face, there's a person they can actually talk to.
With this chance to have this RVO tender, we were able to speed up our development in those rural east side of Senegal.
For us, any mechanism that enables us to get charcoal and dirty fuels out of consumers' hands is a win for us. The RVO tender for us was important because it enabled us to accelerate reaching the low-income consumers.